now the Effie's fixed, got it running sweet. Got this little sucker here. Got to go and put this sucker back in an engine crane to see if that was the problem. Don't know if it was or not, but got to get this sucker working so I can get that fucking shitbox out of there to go up into that international up there. So this big bastard can go in there. Not too bad. Engine crane's lived out of its outside its whole entire life. It's never been in a shed since I got it in 2012, I think it was, when I brought it off of Nick Paradise for $100, and I've had to spend, I was really annoyed, at $8.30 for a fucking new rubber. Well, we'll see how we go. Got this fucking thing back. Oh, where the hell's the nut? There it is, right fucking there. Alright. I'll clean that shit out. Put that sucker down there. Dirty old hydraulic oil rag. Now that fucking thing in there. Get out of there, you bastard. Now, alright, we'll push the fucker up this way. Oh, can't. Yeah, it fits right through. Fucking idiot. Right, I'll screw this fucking thing down. Once I get the fucking thing lined up and in the thread. Done. Yeah, wasted more fucking hydraulic oil. Woohoo. Lucky money grows on trees these days. Get the big sucker on there. Yep, she's tight enough. Alright, and this side. And I'll put this shitbox. Oh, you fucking idiot. There we go. This thing back on there. Get this little sucker. Put him through the hole. I've only had one kid, so I'm probably not so good at that one. Yeah, knobhead. Back apart with that fucking thing. Dealing with shit. Right. But push it through. Now that should be enough to get that stupid thing on there. Yeah, we good. Tighten the bastard up. There's a little piece of shit again. Now see if it's going to work, because I don't know if this is actually what's wrong with it or if the top valve is actually gone in it. I'm not 100% sure. Hang on. You just love it when shit don't want to go back together. Alright, what are we looking at? There. And shit annoys you. There we go. It's a boy. We'll get this right through. Oh, look at that. Definitely a boy. Yeah. Oh, Oh, hello. Look at that shit. It was the problem. That just goes to show 3/5 of fuck all goes wrong with engine cranes if you know what you're doing. Alright, I'll put this sucker in here. Alright, there we go. And it's pushing up. I reckon about hey. We'll see if it holds pressure. Yeah, we good. Fucking beautiful. Oh, now she owes me $108.30. Catch up.